Okay, let's take this third example. So we're given this 15x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, so as you can see, a is not equal to 1. So we'll use the method as we have applied in the first two examples. Okay, so we have to take the coefficient of the first term and also the third term. Okay, and then let's multiply them. So minus 6 multiplied by 15, this is equal to 90. Okay, so this is where, sorry, this is minus 90. So this is where we find the factors. So what are possible factors of 90? Possible factors of 90 is 1 and minus 90. Then we have, what else? Minus 1 and positive 90. We have 2 and minus 45. We can also have minus 2 and positive 45. Okay, and then it can also be 3 and minus 30. Or we have minus 3, positive 30. What else? 5 and minus 18. Or it can be minus 5 and positive 18. What else? We have 9 and minus 10. Or it can be minus 9 and 10. So, looking at the possible factors, if you combine the first one, definitely not. It will not give us the combination, which is here understood to have a coefficient equal to 1. Okay? So, if you look at this, only this one will give us the correct combination. Because when you combine these two, we have minus 9, then we have 10, so this 10 is understood to be plus or positive. Then you combine, the rule is to add. Then you add numbers or terms of different signs, so you have to subtract. So 10 minus 9 is 1, and then take the sign of the bigger number, which is positive. Okay? So this one gives us this coefficient here, positive 1. Okay, so we have to manipulate this. So we can write this as 15x squared, then plus we can rewrite positive x or 1x with a combination of this. So we can write 10. Okay, so we have okay, we will start with positive. So positive 10x, then we have minus 9x, and then just copy the third term. Okay, so after that, let's group them. Okay, so 15x squared plus 10x minus 9x minus 6. So let's group them like this. So one group, and then we have another group. If we put the sign here negative, okay, so this one becomes positive, like that. Because when you distribute the negative sign, it is understood to have 1 here, a hidden 1. So multiply negative 1 to 9x, negative 9x, negative 1 times positive 6, negative 6. Okay, then let's find the common monomial factor of our first group. So here we have common is 5. Then we have x squared x, so they have 5x. Okay, then divide its term by the common monomial factor. So this will give us 3x. Then this one divided by 5x. This is plus, so plus also 2. Okay, so minus. Here the common is, this is divisible by 3, so factor out 3. So we have 3x, then plus 2. Okay, so we have formed a new group. So if you look at the group, or the two groups, they have common, which is 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2, common in both groups. So first group, divide by this common. What is left is 5x. Then you have here minus, so this minus. This second group, divide by the common of its group. What is left is 3. Okay, so these are the factors. You may check, no, if the factors are correct. You just do the same way. You just distribute the combined terms and it will give us the same result, the same as the given expression. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any question, just leave your question or message in the comment section below. Thank you.